Today, we explore the connection between daily habits and mental health. Recognizing harmful habits is crucial for our well-being. Habit 1. Excessive screen time can lead to anxiety and depression. Try setting specific limits on your daily screen usage. Habit 2. Skipping meals negatively impacts our mood. Meal planning can help ensure you nourish your body. Habit 3. A lack of physical activity affects our mental state. Incorporate short exercises into your daily routine. Habit 4. Poor sleep hygiene disrupts mental clarity. Implement strategies like a consistent bedtime to improve sleep.